and welcome to the One News. My name is Aufa Syamil and I will be accompanying you to 5 minutes forward. Our story today is about the Indonesia earthquake topless houses in Java. At least 162 people were killed and hundreds more injured as a 5.6 intensity earthquake shook Indonesia's main island of Java on Monday.
The quake struck Cianjur town in West Java at a depth of 10 km according to US geological survey data. The area where the quake struck is densely populated and prone to landslide, with the massive houses reduced to rubble in many areas.
Hello, my name is Rahma. I am in office of BMKG with Mr. Dede. How can Cianjur earthquake happen?
The trigger of earthquake Cianjur magnitude 4.6 on 21st of November 2022 is a factor or actual fault. This is a newly identified fault is our survey.
Regional Governor Ridwan Kamil said 162 people were killed, over 700 injured, and more than 30,000 people displaced by the disaster. He apprehended that the number of injuries and fatalities were likely to increase because there were a lot of people still trapped at the scene.
Hello everyone, my name is Aldi. I'm here in Cianjur city where the earthquake has happened, and I'm currently with Mr. Raffi here as the victim of the earthquake. What were you doing when the earthquake has happened, sir?
So I was laying down on my bed, scrolling through Instagram, my phone, and then just happened. I can feel the vibration is really intense. I can't figure out what's happening at the time, but I heard so many people from the side screaming, "Earthquake! Earthquake!" So I ran. I tried to escape my home, but I can't even see my hand in front of me. But I can grab the door handles so I can escape my home. And I just ran through a small shop, small groceries near my home, and I can see all my buildings surroundings just falls into pieces. And just like that.
Were you with your family?
I was alone.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
That's it for me. Thank you, and back to Aufa in the studio.
Earthquakes are common in Indonesia, which sits on the Ring of Fire area of tectonic activity in the Pacific, with a 2018 quake in Sulawesi leaving over 2,000 dead. Finally, I am and all of crew of One News say have a wonderful day, stay safe, and see you next time. Bye bye.